This is our Carlsbad Staycation and San Diego Zoo visit. About to check in. Alright, we're here at Carlsbad. Go check out 6824A. Welcome to our crib here at Carlsbad. This is the Marbrisa Hotel. This is the kitchen. Pretty cool. Make sure to check out the full room tour on the description below or on our YouTube channel. His and hers bathroom. There I am. Welcome to Marbrisa Resort. There's a water slide over there. Pretty cool. There's the hot tub over there. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Wow, look at this. We're gonna do a hike. Cold hike. Lake Calavera.
I feel like a penguin.
We're gonna go up there, up on the top. We are hiking here at the lake. Forgot our glasses.
I don't have any glasses regardless.
It's a volcano, columns of lava. Check it out. Yeah. Sunset hike. Let's go. Mount Calavera is an extinct volcano located in the heart of Carlsbad, California. When you're in town, I would recommend doing this short hike as it presents magnificent views when you get to the top. Check it out for yourself. Wow, this is top of the hill by Carlsbad. Doing a hike here. Sunset. Ooh. I actually had to climb to the edge right there. Yeah. Overlooking the valley. Wow. Sunset. This is the summit. On the way back down, you'll see the Lake Calavera Preserve. After hiking, we got hungry, so we ate at Gaja Korean Barbecue. The next day, we went to San Diego Zoo.
Orangutans, bonobos, and all of our monkeys live on that trail. We won't be able to see those animals on the tour bus, so the only way for you to find them is to take a walk down that way after the tour. But coming up on our right-hand side, we get to meet our first animal, also one of the most... Here at the zoo, we have two different species of flamingos, the greater and American flamingos. And we'll see the greater flamingos a little bit later on the tour. Asian taxi, that's going to be the purple section. Now down here is where we have a lot of our cats. Now if we're quiet, we get an up-close view of them.
Huge.
That's Ellen and Ernest. So you guys got a great view of both the male heirs to leave their original herd and go off and find other roaming males to create a bachelor herd, like the one we have here with ours in the desert. And they can go for several weeks without food, but only about 7 days without many of those eggs, those birds and their eggs that we can find. And we started a breeding program over at the safari park.
You heard it, pandas are back. San Diego Zoo. Yeah. Pandas are supposed to be over here. Carnivorous plants.
One is even dead.
Tropical picture plant. Yo, we're flying! We're here at San Diego Zoo. Super cool.
Look at a church.
We're flying.
Oh my.
Woohoo! Look at this. Yeah.
Not that.
Yeah.
It's a
Video. Woohoo!
Stop moving around so much.
And that's always a great ride.
And then ew.
What the heck is that, bro? It's like a branch. Right there.
These are just
It's greeny. It's greeny. Camouflage. Point to it. Which one? That one. Wow. Across the hanging bridge. Enormous rhino. Ace Ventura is gonna come up. There, it's waving at you.
Brandon.
Oh no, I have a wristband.
Liam. That one's about. Oh, that one dove. Oh, there. They're done. They're done swimming. Oh, that's not here.
We're trapped in a
Go ahead, guys.
Teeth are so sharp.
Panda Express. And there's the panda. Panda just eating like crazy. Let's go, panda. What you eating? Eating like crazy. Here's one last look. And that was our fun visit to San Diego Zoo. But now we're hungry. Go. The Windmill Food Hall.
I think the windmill's making it colder than it actually is.
So many choices here at the Windmill Food Hall. Well, folks, that was our Carlsbad Staycation and our San Diego Zoo visit. Keep on collecting great memories and subscribe for good luck. Don't forget to book your vacay with me, MF Travels. Peace out.